In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read a balance sheet of a company on Yahoo Finance. This is a valuable skill for anyone interested in understanding a company's financial health, whether you're an investor, a student, or just looking to expand your financial literacy. First things first, let's head over to Yahoo Finance. It's a comprehensive resource for financial information, and you can find it easily by searching Yahoo Finance in your web browser. Once you're on the site, locate the search bar at the top. Here you can type in the name or ticker symbol of the company whose balance sheet you want to examine. For this demonstration, we'll use Apple as our example, but feel free to choose any company you're interested in. Once you've found your company, click on it to open up its profile. You'll see a lot of information here, but for now, let's focus on the Financials tab. This is where you'll find the balance sheet along with other vital financial statements. Click on Financials and then select Balance Sheet from the options. You'll immediately see a breakdown of the company's financial position. Now, let's dive into the key components of the balance sheet. First, take a look at the company's total assets. This section reflects everything the company owns that has value, such as cash, inventory, and property. It's a good indicator of the company's size and potential for growth. Next, you'll want to examine the total liabilities net minority interest. This part shows what the company owes, including loans and obligations. It's crucial to compare this with the total assets to get a sense of the company's financial leverage and risk. Moving on, you'll see the total equity gross minority interest. This figure represents the shareholders' stake in the company. It's the residual interest in the assets after deducting liabilities. A higher equity value generally indicates a financially healthy company. Continuing, you'll find the total capitalization. This includes both equity and debt, providing a complete picture of how the company is financed. A balanced capitalization can imply a stable financial structure. Be sure to also check out the common stock equity. This is the portion of the equity that belongs to common shareholders. It's an important metric for investors as it represents the value of their shares. Lastly, Yahoo Finance allows you to view these figures on a quarterly or annual basis. Simply toggle between the quarterly and annual options to see how the company's financials have changed over time. This can offer insights into trends and help you make informed decisions. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to reading a company's balance sheet on Yahoo Finance. With this knowledge, you'll be better equipped to assess a company's financial health and make more informed financial decisions. Happy analyzing!